Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Quora profile. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Quora app. Make sure you have already downloaded Quora app on your device. Once you open up Quora app, it will show you this kind of interface. Here tap on sign up with email, or you can continue with Google, or you can continue with Facebook, and also you can continue with Apple. Now let me tap on continue with Google. Now again tap on continue. So here select Google account. Now click on continue button. Now you have successfully signed up on Quora app. So when you go to your profile icon that is located on top left corner, so this is your profile page. You have successfully created your profile on Quora app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.